Hi, it's First Lady Redonda, and I am cooking in the kitchen today. And what I want to cook for you today is candied yams. And as you can see, these are, I guess, what you call sweet potatoes. Depending on the country the part of the country that you live in, they may be sweeter, and sometimes they may not be as sweet, depending on where you live in the country. But we'll see how much sugar we have to add to these to make these candied yams. But first thing I want to do is just show you how I just slice up the sweet potato. I'm just going to peel it, and then I'm going to slice it. And as you can see, I've kind of rough chopped these, and really kind of slice / chop. They're not uniform, so they're kind of different in shape and size. And that's the way I like it, because I don't like for them to be too thick, because if they are too thick, then it takes a lot longer for them to cook, and it takes a lot longer for them to kind of get sweet and to get flavor. So this is just an easy way to show you how to just kind of, you can slice them in different shapes, as long as you kind of get them all sliced, not too thick. So I'm just going to take them to the sink. I'm just going to rinse them in cold water really quickly. Okay. Make sure you got all that. If there's any dirt or anything, just make sure you get it off. And depending on, like I said, depending upon where you live in the United States, or wherever you are watching this video, your sweet potatoes may look a little bit different. They may be a little bit more orange than these. But as long as you get sweet potatoes, you should be okay. So I'm just going to transfer these into my pot that I'm going to use. This is a cast iron, and so they're going to cook really quickly in the cast iron. I'm going to add 2 cups of water just to start with. I don't want them completely covered in water because I'm going to add sugar and then nutmeg, and it's really just those 4 ingredients: sugar, the nutmeg, butter, which is what I use. I like to use the unsalted butter, and these cute little quarter sticks are really cute and handy. And of course, pure vanilla extract. Okay, and I add the vanilla extract toward the end. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sugar. I start off with about 1 cup to 1.5 cups. And then the nutmeg, which has a really kind of sweet and nutty flavor. I love nutmeg. I use it in sweet potato pie as well, cobblers and things like that. So it's really good when you're flavoring. So I'm going to add the butter, and I don't slice or anything. I just put it on top right there, and it's going to dissolve. Maybe just a little more of the nutmeg. So I'm going to turn the fire on, medium heat, and I'm going to cover them, and they're going to cook for about, I don't know, 40-45 minutes, and we'll come back. The water and the sugar and the butter is going to make almost like it's going to candy it, and it's going to really be sweet and flavorful. So we'll come back and check on it in about 45 minutes. Okay, I wanted you to see just how these candied yams are bubbling. So I'm going to turn the fire down just a little bit. And I'm going to also add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And so that's going to give it that really sweet vanilla flavor. So I'm going to add that. And I do it kind of almost halfway through so that vanilla extract, because it is an extract, it can kind of burn, and so you don't want it to have a burn taste, but you want that vanilla taste. So that's why I add it kind of toward the middle, almost when it's about halfway done. And so I turn the fire down, and it's just going to continue to simmer. See you in a bit. Our yams are ready. And I'm just going to spoon just a little of them, as you can see. See how that juice. And see how soft they are, as you can see. And you can see the little bits of nutmeg and the butter and the sugar, and they're really sweet. And of course, you can look at my other videos and see how to make cornbread. Cornbread with candied yams are great together. And also, I have some other videos posted, but this is a great addition to your Sunday dinner. So I'm just going to try these. They're really good. I wish you could smell it right now. But these are really good. They're buttery, sweet, and delicious. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. And let me know what you think. And I hope you have a wonderful day and a great Sunday dinner. Be blessed.